everyone, I'm Vidhi and welcome to my channel. So today is 2nd of October and currently behind me what you'll see is the Baga beach. So that is the Baga beach and on my right side is the Baga river. So the point where I'm standing right now is where the Baga river meets the Arabian Sea. Okay. So in this video I'm going to show you the Baga beach. Okay. So from this point the Baga beach is like 1 kilometer if you all are on your own vehicle. But if you are good at swimming, you can just jump in the water, swim and go to the Baga beach. Okay. So just kidding. Okay. So from here you all can make out that the rush on the Baga beach is quite a lot. And currently the time is like 12 PM. Okay. Like sun is right on top our heads and it's quite hot. Okay. So let's go on the Baga beach now. So this is the Baga river and you all can see like all these boats which are lined up are all fishing boats and they are now leaving to go and catch fresh batch of fish, and some boats are like returning back, and then the distance is the Baga beach where we are now going. Okay, so let's go. We have reached here in the parking of the Baga beach, and I must say the parking is like very huge, and also the like parking prices are also quite reasonable. It's like for a hatchback or a sedan the prices are 25 rupees for 4 hours, and if you all are taking more than 4 hours it will add up to 15 rupees like per hour. Okay, and you all can see in the parking also there are a few shops selling clothes and some food stalls and everything. And now we are going on the beach. So in the parking here you will also have this pay toilet. Okay, it's all in the parking here only. Like there is a toilet, a changing room and all those things. And in the parking itself there is this tourist information desk as well, and that is the entrance. Like if you all are like on foot, like after parking you all have to walk out from that gate. And also a small ice cream parlor. So let's go on the beach now. The sun is like quite hot, humid, and skin is also burning. So if you all are coming here, don't forget to apply your sunscreens and all, or you all will get terribly tanned. So there are also this hop on or hop off services, and this is the information. Okay, they have given a number if you all want to inquire. The charges are like 600 and it will give you all sightseeing in north and south. So here is the entrance of the beach, and like there is all this stalls here as well. The end point of the beach. Okay, and then in the distance where you'll see a few cars parked, the spot where we were when I started the video, and this is the whole view of the Baga beach. Okay, then the distance you can see Ga beach written. It's actually Baga beach, but PA has disappeared from there. And here is the whole view of the beach. You can see the crowd over here is like a lot. So this is the point where the Baga river is meeting the Arabian Ocean. Let's see. So now let's walk along the beach. So you all can see at the moment like they have started building the shacks and all. Okay, like here is this one beach shack which is under construction, and the construction is like almost completed. And here on the right side you can see all the beach beds are put up and people are like resting. And although the time right now is like almost around 12:30, there are many people here on the beach enjoying and even in the water. I don't understand like how people have all this excitement and all, that even in this scorching heat they are ready to enjoy here on the beach. Okay, so on the Baga beach you will get many people who are like the ladies who do braids and all, so you will get that. And on this beach you also get to see these people who have worn this uniform like white shirt and red pants. They are basically the photographers. So if you all are like want to be so if you all are like interested in getting your pictures clicked with a camera, you can definitely ask them to click yours and they will click your pictures, and you all will get it once you all are like going back. You all will get those pictures, okay? And just see the status here. All the beach beds, like mostly all the beach beds are full. People are enjoying even in this kind of scorching heat. So I have come quite ahead from the main area of the beach, and over here also you will find a bit less crowd compared to the crowd near the main area of the beach. But here also like there are all these beach beds and all, but all are empty. Okay, so it's understood, right? People will sit near the main area where the vibe is a bit more like good. Okay, so here we are now, and a bit more in the distance if you all see there is even more crowd. I think it is another beach. Okay, so you all can make out how far I have come from the main area. Then the distance is the main area. Okay, so now I'll go back to the main area and I'll show you. Okay, but like there are like just 1 or 2 shacks which are like operating, like properly constructed shacks. Okay, not the restaurants which you'll get to see. Like here you have, here on the right side you all have the bistro, bar and restaurant. Okay, that is open. Then there is another Lakshman restaurant in the distance. They all are open. And here are the Lifeman's Jeep. They are like going on announcing for people to like come out of the waters because the tides are a bit high now. Okay, so here is the Baga beach, and now I'm walking towards the main area of the beach. Okay, I'll tell you another thing, which is that it is probably my first time I have come here on the Baga beach. Being in Goa from almost my childhood, I have never come here on the Baga beach. Okay, so this crowd which you all see is actually in off season. The season starts in October, and during that time you all won't find any spot on the beach which is empty. All is full. You won't even find any beach beds empty, any shack empty. May it be in the morning, afternoon or at night. Okay, so this place is like very lively during night. At this hour, it's sunny and also people, some don't come out, but I don't think that's true, because just look at the crowd there in the distance. Like there are so many people here on the beach. It's like the heat is not even affecting them. It's quite humid though. Okay, so that is there. And this is the whole Baga beach that I'm showing you all.
बागा में रहता हूँ, कभी भी आइए फोटोग्राफरी के लिए।
हाँ,
संपर्क करें, दीपक कुमार नाम है।
अपना नंबर बोलिए।
9730451429।
स्लो सबको सुनना चाहिए। और बोलिए
9730451429।
So it's 1:10 PM currently, and we just came back to the parking from the Baga beach, and it was my first time visiting the Baga beach. Like I have never come here. Okay, and we also asked a few one photographer, okay, to click our pictures, because like come on, it was my first time, right? So for something new we just got our pictures clicked by the photographer here. Okay, so it's there, and now we are leaving from the Baga beach, and we'll probably go somewhere to eat because we are quite hungry. Okay, So let's go now. How do you feel coming to the Baga beach?
As usual, tired. And on top, sunstroke is there. No one should come in the daytime. Take rest in your room. Come back at 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 4 to 7 o'clock you'll be there on the beach. Then enjoy your beer and all. Today I didn't get anything. Gandhi Jayanti is there.
It's a dry day today.